So we're going to talk about how I took $60 and used that to make 400 trading QQQ options. Now, starting off with this 4-hour chart, you can see we have this nice gray zone, which was respected as resistance here before the drop, resistance here before the drop, and we tried to use it as resistance here, but instead we ended up using it as support. So in my last YouTube video, I told everyone about this before this move happened, and this is just the results video of what happened after. So using this zone, I was able to see a higher low being formed, and this was on Wednesday. So we're going to zoom into that day by switching to the 15-minute chart, and you can see Wednesday is right there. Now this was the huge demand zone from the 4-hour, but you could also see we have demand zones being formed on this 15-minute chart. So we're going to zoom in to Wednesday a little bit more. Now this was a major demand zone, the main one, and this is what I use for the trade. After I seen the price push up from market open, it faded all day, faded, came down. But just knowing where the demand zones are allowed us to know where the price is likely to reverse. And we ended up buying calls for 60 cents in this area, and we swung it overnight. And we went from about 184, 185 area to 193 to 194. So when the market opened, the price started falling, and we was able to exit with a $4 contract, meaning that was a 565% move all the way from $60 overnight. All right. So we actually have receipts on this trade. We have the Discord. This is what it looks like to get that buy signal for 60 cents on QQQ call options with this expiration date and this strike. All right. So we teach you how to follow these options, how to find them and execute on these plays. And here, well, the date says 9:25 at 1:52 p.m. and 9:26, which is the next day at 9:33, called out the take profit signal for 565%. All right, so we include the pictures to help you see where that demand zone was drawn. And you can see here we have that 485 level, the demand zone, and you had the heads up. All right, like I said, this was on Wednesday, and you could see, looking back at the charts, that we are looking at the same zone on Wednesday. All right. So the next morning we went up a lot and had a home run trade. So all trades obviously won't be 500%, but this is a lesson for anyone who has been taking losses, that if you respect your losses, maybe it might be a little bit bigger loss than you wanted. As long as you respect the loss, eventually you'll have a big winner that could wipe out all those losses and put you back on track. So it's all about following your game plan and making sure you have enough to trade the next day so you could take advantage of these opportunities. And we're going to keep you posted in the Discord. We're going to keep you posted on Instagram. We're going to do lives a lot more on YouTube and on Instagram. So check me out by hitting the link in the bio. We have a free book that you could read. I wrote this book a couple months ago to help people understand how to improve their trading and eventually get to the point of mastery over their trading, right? So yeah, if you guys want to learn more, hit the link in the bio to join the Discord, and online courses coming soon. So hit me up if you guys are interested. All right, guys, have a good one. Peace.